My name is Sabrina Sakha Andien. I'm from English Literature, University of Semarang. Now I'm gonna do the assignment for pronunciation and practice course. Let's get started. Ransom, hamburger, reverberating, searching, weather, pampas, chronology, quitter, earthworm, newsletter, awaken, number, grasshopper, perpetrate, cucumber, plagiarize, circular, submerge, surf, liquidizer, barbarous, fraternity, determined, inverse, screwdriver. He never flirts at the girl serving in the first counter. Our further services were no longer worth considering. Herbal treatments serve as an alternative cure cancer. Birds, oh birds, can you console her with your fragrantships? Banana and pajamas succeed as entertainers of distant viewers. Cucumber and basil are vegetables which must be preserved in a refrigerator. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.